Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to go take a look at a 1977 Chevy Silverado pickup and see if we can pick it up. Who knows? So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, before we get started taking a look at the Silverado pickup, I just wanted to tell you, in past videos you may have seen my two dogs, Bo and Luke. Unfortunately Luke passed away this week, so we're all bummed out about that, and I know our dog Bo is certainly missing him a lot. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know. You know it's time to start filming when the dogs wake up. Hey, Beast. Dozer, are you getting all crazy? Luke, are you getting all crazy? Alright guys, today we're going to go take a look at a 1977 Chevy pickup. So hopefully it's decent. It's a little bit rougher truck. It's kind of a project truck, so hopefully it turns out to be halfway decent. Alright, today we're going to go out and look around and see what we can find. There's an old Ford pickup over by that trailer. Alright guys, unfortunately we couldn't hammer out any deals today. Sometimes that happens. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode and stay tuned for more fun. There's my girl Bo. She's been hanging out with me a little bit more now these days. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's look at some more Super Bee pictures. take a look at some more pictures. I suppose I should tell you what they're of. Let's take a look at some more slooper bee pictures. Let's take a look at, I'll get it right,